2018 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this truck makes room for the whole family. You'll appreciate the high efficiency at a low price, as well as backup camera, four-wheel drive, power driver seat, Bluetooth, front bucket seats, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, air conditioning, ABS. This vehicle is accident-free, qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee, and is a Carfax one-owner vehicle. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?